In this video, we're going to be talking about how to enroll into your Western Alliance banking application. So let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your Western Alliance banking application and go ahead and let it load. Once it is loaded, all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on the FDIC Privacy Policy right below mobile privacy, right on the bottom. Click on that and you're going to be taken to this page. Click on online banking here and then select what type of account you want to go ahead and do so, and then click on go, and you're going to be taken to this page right over here where all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on not enrolled yet, sign up. Once you click on it, it's going to ask you if you have your ATM or debit card number or checking savings number. Simply go ahead and choose any that you want and then go ahead and click on continue on the bottom of your screen right over here. And once you click on continue, you'll be having to go ahead and enter your checking or savings account number, and then they'll send you a verification code to the phone number that is linked with that account. And when you enter the verification code, they'll let you create your user ID and password. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.